For a little walk kind of early-ish. I can feel it kind of sprinkling already because got this fella here today. Just realized today's leap day. February 29th. I don't know if that should be something to celebrate. Maybe. Right, Milo? Sir? Hi. Milo says yes. Alright, here we are. Tomorrow is the last long run of this training block. We are going for 11 miles. The rain is back. I could hear it on my roof, pitter-pattering down. So at the moment, I think, well, let's check the weather app just to be sure. 30 to 40% by the time we get out tomorrow morning. So highly likely for sure there will be some rain. My guess would be light to, mid rain. I don't know if that's even a thing. We'll see. So if it's anything like, the previous week where I ran a rainy run, could be like that, or possibly lighter or even heavier, depending. I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Good morning. It's Saturday. And it's been raining pretty hard or pretty heavy for the last half hour. So according to my weather app, the rain should be dying down in a few minutes. So we're gonna let it die down a few minutes and then head on out. And then I think this should be just light rain for the rest of the morning. So we'll see. But yeah, we'll still go out and do our long run. Good old 11 miles. Just saw a coyote going over to that house right there. Got some squishy socks. Here we are, the last longish run for this training. We are officially 2 weeks out from today from the marathon. It was pretty much light to moderate, the rain throughout the whole run. I did let the heavier parts of the storm pass first before heading out there. So I had a bit of a late-ish start today, which isn't too bad. I did get pretty drenched, probably 3/4 of the run, and then the last fourth was drizzle. And now that we're 2 weeks out, it's officially tapering time until race day. The mileage is pretty much going to go down quite a bit, and of course just resting up as much as possible, so that I feel 100% by the time race weekend comes, because I am running the LA Big 5K followed by the marathon consecutively that weekend. So it's gonna be good. Looking forward to it. I'm nervous, excited. Let me know, for those of you who are training as well, how you guys are feeling right now. Yeah, looking forward to it. And that completes week 16. This last week saw us with our final high mileage days. We had an 8-mile run during the midweek, and our long run took us all the way up to 11 miles. 11 rainy miles, I have to say. But it was quite fun. I jumped in some puddles, got completely soaked. So, would I run in the rain again? Sure, why not? Now, I normally post my training vlogs towards the end of the week. But if you want some real-time updates, please do follow me on my Instagram at jenrazon, as I will be putting updates there, as when I'll be at the expo, when I'm at the LA Big 5K, which is the Saturday before the marathon, and of course on marathon day. I'll put updates up there, so you guys will hopefully be able to track me while I'm on the race if that's something you want to do. So it's gonna be fun, and I'm excited, and yeah, just we're all gonna go with the flow. Now our marathon charity update for City of Hope. We had another awesome bump with $1,635. If you would like to donate and have some spare change, do go to this website down here. I'll put it in the description as well as in the pinned comment, so you could go there directly, and it will take you to my fundraising page, as well as give you all the information you need about why I'm running the marathon, why City of Hope, and of course to donate. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you like what you see here and enjoy the adventures that we have, or feel inspired for your own running journey, why not subscribe and like the video, as it does help. It also reaches other people as well to hopefully maybe inspire them. So stick around. I have another training vlog next week, as well as more updates for the marathon, so you do not want to miss out on any of it. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.